Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. Yeah. Oh, food. I love food. Yeah, I wonder what they have in here. Yeah.
Hello?
Money.
Is anybody there?
Oh, yeah. I'm pretty much here. Yeah. Who are you? I'm just here stealing your stuff.
I heard that! Don't steal our tree! Please!
What? How did she know? Oh no. Shoot.
Who do you think you are and why are you in my house? Does this have to do with wintertime fun? Does it? I need to know.
Should I invite her to Blizzard Blast? I don't know. Yes, I will.
What?
Would you like to go with me to a K-Life event?
I'm listening.
It's Saturday, December 7th, and, well, there would be 4 friends of mine there. Yeah, 4. And there's gonna be fun and winter and fat people and, yeah.
That sounds like fun.
Lots of hot cocoa and, yeah, just, packing peanuts as snow. You can jump in it.
When is Blizzard Blast?
I already told you December 7th. So are you gonna be there? Huh? Well, are you?
I have a work meeting.
That's too bad, because you're about to miss out on this cocoa.
Don't touch me. Okay.
Here's a cup of tea.
Thank you.
Hot cocoa.
Thank
whatever.
you. Oh, thank you for inviting me. I don't have any friends, so you're a real lifesaver. Thank you for everything you do for me.
Just get out of here. Why do you even have fingers?
I don't like squirrels.
Good. Me neither. Let's dance like this together and decorate a tree.
I know what you mean.
Stupid.
Oh,
You know what? You know what? I'm going to Blizzard Blast. Let's go.